leaders resolve to strengthen panchayats in state. Meghalaya Chief Minister lays foundation for 3 roads, calls them transformational chapter in connectivity. Food park with mini processing plants will be set up in Siang region of Arunachal Pradesh, announces Chief Minister Pema Khandu. And in FIH Hockey 5S World Cup, women in blue decimate Poland to lock horns with United States later this evening. That brings us to the end of this evening's bulletin. Thank you for tuning in. Namaskar.
Good evening, viewers. Welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar launches Hamara Samvidhan, Hamara Samman campaign. Prime Minister Narendra Modi interacts with tableau artists, NCC cadets, NSS volunteers in New Delhi. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma lays foundation for roads to New Shillong. Over 1,500 farmers invited to witness Republic Day parade at Kartavya Path. And more than 60,000 students participate in nationwide painting competition in run-up to Pariksha Pe Charcha 2024. Now the news in detail. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar today launched the Hamara Samvidhan, Hamara Samman campaign of the Ministry of Law and Justice in New Delhi to commemorate the 75th year of India as Republic. Speaking on the occasion, he said the nation is remembering the heroes, those who were forgotten. He said the countrymen have rediscovered Bharat. During the event, Nyay Setu was launched, which is a significant and transformative step that aims to extend and expand the reach of legal services till the last mile. Some of the themes to be covered during the campaign include Sabko Nyay, Har Ghar Nyay, Nav Bharat, Nav Sankalp and Vidhi Jagriti Abhiyan. Prime Minister Narendra Modi interacts with tableau artists, National Cadet Corps cadets, National Service Scheme volunteers at his residence in New Delhi today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi met the Youth Exchange Program cadets from 25 countries and tribal guests of Republic Day celebrations. This year's Republic Day program will be women-centric and the motto is Viksit Bharat. A total of 26 tableaux will participate in the Republic Day parade at Kartavya Path in New Delhi. 16 tableaux from states and UTs and 10 from ministries, departments and organizations will roll down the Kartavya Path.
इन घटनाओं से परिचित है, लेकिन जिस तरह से आपने इसे प्रस्तुत किया वो वाकई अद्भुत है। आप गणतंत्र दिवस की परेड का हिस्सा बनने जा रहे हैं और इस बार ये 2 वजहों से और विशेष हो गया है। ये 75वां गणतंत्र दिवस है और दूसरा, पहली बार गणतंत्र दिवस की परेड देश की नारी शक्ति को समर्पित है।
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today laid the foundation stone for 3 significant road projects, marking a crucial step towards enhancing connectivity and infrastructure in Shillong and the new Shillong Township. The projects include the construction of a new double-lane road from Lom Siap Belafont to connect New Shillong Township at Sauli via Maupat. Additionally, Shillong Ding Pasok Road will be widened to a 2-lane standard. Further, a road from Briba Maupat to IAS Colony at Sauli will undergo metalling and blacktopping. These projects reflect a commitment to enhancing accessibility, connectivity and overall development in Shillong. Addressing the gathering, CM Conrad Sangma highlighted the persistent challenges of congestion and traffic issues in Shillong. He expressed optimism about these projects, emphasizing a focused approach to expand and decongest the city for long-term solutions.
To the new secretariat. We will have different kind of bus services, different kind of public utility, all of these things planned along the way, of course, with all your support. Because if community is not involved in this, we will not be able to do it successfully.
The Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers' Welfare has invited over 1,500 farmers to witness the 75th Republic Day Parade at Kartavya Path. These farmers are beneficiaries of various central government schemes such as Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana and Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana. During their stay, the farmers will also undergo training on key government schemes like the Agri Infrastructure Fund, National Seeds Cooperation and Per Drop More Crop. More than 60,000 students participate in nationwide painting competition in run-up to Pariksha Pe Charcha 2024 yesterday. The painting competition was organized in 657 Kendriya Vidyalayas and 122 Navodaya Vidyalayas and in 774 districts across the country. Activities including marathon, music competition, meme competition, Nukat Natak, poster making and yoga cum meditation sessions were also organized between 12th and 23rd January. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma yesterday inaugurated the Wayajer Prime Hub at Wayajer. Also present during the inauguration were Deputy Chief Ministers Preston Tinsong and Sniao Bhalangdhar. In his address, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said that having prime hubs all over the state is connected with the goal and objective to promote entrepreneurship at the grassroots and to allow people to be able to carry out different economic activities and opportunities for themselves and the communities. The Chief Minister also informed that every block of the state will have a prime hub that will serve as a rural technology cum knowledge hubs to provide support for small farmers, producer groups and agri-entrepreneurs.
They will have training, they will have different infrastructure, and they will be able to create more value out of the different products that they are already having.
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma yesterday inaugurated the Wayajer Multi-Sports Complex in the presence of Deputy Chief Ministers Preston Tinsong and Sniao Bhalangdhar and Sports Minister Shakliar Wajri. In his address, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said that the inaugural of PA Patugan Nengminja Athletics Stadium in Tura in the previous week and the recently concluded Meghalaya Games are testimonies to prove that the government is committed to the youth of the state. The Chief Minister also informed that the government intends to intensify activities for the youth, be it in arts, sports, entrepreneurship or music.
It has tripled in the last 5 years, and that is the reason why so many infrastructure projects today are coming up along the state, and many, many more will come in the coming years.
In response to Bernihat being identified as the most polluted city in the country, local MLA of Jirang constituency, Sustenance Sotun, chaired a meeting at IB Bernihat to discuss on strategies to reduce the pollution. During the meeting, concerns were addressed and strategies were discussed to tackle the pressing pollution issue. Sotun has informed that during the meeting, he has discussed the matter seriously with the officers, especially Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board, to take up the matter seriously to reduce the pollution following Bernihat's unfortunate distinction as the most polluted place in the country.
Imla ibadong ba in blame mano kino isos kiba penmi ya kini tangna kano isos kiba penmi ya kini lihat lagi industries or lamlong industries so kita gue lagi contributor haban penjeklah ka ya kana ka area kejungi nangta kami kejing ya ajing mut kejing keren kaba ki kejing thang ya ki plastic kejing thang ya ki jeklah kane pada ka gue lagi ba contribute penbi ikan ikan terem jeklia kelak melong nak kali bagi kali kibayai ini kelak melong kibab penbi ya kecing jeklia.
The third Meghalaya football tournament concluded yesterday in the presence of Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad Sangma, as the chief guest. The final tournament was held in between Nongkro SC versus Sopho SC. Nongkro SC has beaten Sopho SC by 2-0. Deputy CM Meghalaya Dhar distributed cash prize to the winner and runner-up of the match.
That we will be 100% behind this target. We will support the infrastructure creation. We will support the associations. We will support the athletes. We will provide infrastructure. We will provide games like these so that our youth are able to excel in the sports. We were just discussing that we are very keen and we are making the necessary plans to have a football tournament very soon.
This is to inform the general public that the Raj Bhavan Shillong will be kept open for general public on 26 January 2024 from 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. And now the weather report. Today's maximum temperature was recorded at 14.1 degrees Celsius while minimum temperature at 4.3 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 67%, which has risen to 73% in the evening. Forecast: light to moderate rain is likely to occur at isolated places. Before we wind up this news bulletin, let's have a quick look at the headlines once again. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar launches Hamara Samvidhan, Hamara Samman campaign. Prime Minister Narendra Modi interacts with tableau artists, NCC cadets, NSS volunteers in New Delhi. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma lays foundation for roads to New Shillong. Over 1,500 farmers invited to witness Republic Day parade at Kartavya Path. And more than 60,000 students participate in nationwide painting competition in run-up to Pariksha Pe Charcha 2024. And that's all we have for you today. Thanks for watching. Thank you.